Please stop by our open house tomorrow from 11 to 3. You won't be disappointed. 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 4,200 square feet, and there's more. Ocean view from every room. An opportunity to own one of the most iconic properties in Carlsbad. Sleek lines meet luxury living in this beautiful home with ocean view from every room. And a beautiful kitchen that you can entertain forever. What about a fantastic ocean view pool and spa? Come on by, give me a call if you need directions. 760-685-1767. See you tomorrow.